Hello friends, greetings. Welcome to this course. Uh, I would like to share some brief background about this very interesting international online mentoring program, Open Education for a Better World, which has been designed to unlock the potential of open education in achieving the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. The main force behind this project are Ms. Tanya, the Dean of School of Engineering and Management at the University of Nova Gorica, and Nitya Jaimol, holder of the UNESCO Chair on Open Technologies for Open Educational Resources and Open Learning, and head of the Center for Knowledge Transfer in Information Technologies at Joseph Stephen Institute. In India, this project falls under the Asia Hub, which is coordinated by Professor Vasudha Kamath, the former Vice Chancellor of SNDT Women's University and member of the Committee for the National Education Policy 2020 of the Government of India, along with Dr. Jayashree Shinde, the Director for the Teaching Learning Center at SNDT Women's University in Mumbai. This course is about innovative pedagogical strategies for gifted and solo learners. Now, if we think about pedagogy, you can say that with the changing paradigms in teaching learning, we have witnessed a change in the role of teachers and learners, depending on formal education systems and open and flexible education systems. Now, with internet at the helm of affairs in the 21st century, educational systems, a learner is the pivot of the learning process. With education gearing up to meet the expectations of fourth industrial age revolution, a learner has a much more dynamic role in not only the learning, but in the assessment of learning too. Making provisions for reflective exercises, collaborative projects, semantic mapping, or portfolio development can easily be promoted through online technology in creating collaborative and socially inclusive instructional interventions. Not diminishing their values, however, a shift from previously dominant philosophies of behaviorism and cognitism can be observed towards a more encompassing collaborativist and constructivist ideology. And the use of ICT in any form, be it simple or complex, it has impacted all three modes of educational delivery: formal or highly structured traditional mode, non-formal or openly structured and flexible mode, and informal, which is completely unstructured. The new age learner with access to internet technologies and computing devices does not remain dependent on any one mode of this educational delivery. Popularity of flipped classrooms and other avenues of learning like Khan Academy, MOOCs, open educational resources, etc. All these have empowered learners to switch from one mode to another or gain transfer. The transformation from industrial society to digital society and the increasing internationalization of education, globalization, mobility of learners, it all have created a need for anywhere, anytime learning and working. The pedagogy of the digital society is collaborativist and constructivist in nature, with its focus on transforming learners as creators of knowledge. Another trend is affective domain getting prominence. Emotions play a great role towards success or failure in a task. These can be quite critical in sporting or becoming a barrier to engagement in learning. In an online learning environment, identity, values, and beliefs have a direct bearing on effective learning outcomes and call for proper planning and resource management. Now, this course fulfills this objective. And that's why here the focus of this course is on learning design. Now, an effective learning design should consider both cognitive and affective learning outcomes and the affective states of learners as they engage with learning. The course design decisions must include a variety of approaches to social learning design by creating collaborative and individual learning environments. And this becomes all the more important when we are considering gifted learners as well as slow learners. So we hope that you will find this course very useful, interesting, and we look forward to your inputs and contributions, your suggestions to make this course better. Thank you so much.